Wall Street Pepe is exploding in activity right now. Guys, $5 million. Just a couple of hours ago, it was $4 million in the last 24 hours, but people are surging in because they understand what these Pepe tokens are doing. Elon Musk is out there promoting Pepe coins right now, and Wall Street Pepe is set to be the next major explosion. Now, I'm extremely excited about it, and I want to show you how to buy, just how easy it is to buy. I'm going to be connecting my wallet in this video. I'm going to be walking you through the process, just what it looks like to buy Wall Street Pepe tokens, so that you guys can get your hands on them. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Wall Street Pepe on the screen right now, and I want to show you something. This is the success of Pepe Unchained so far, up roughly 8 to 9x increases since the early stages of the presale. Every single person who bought in during the presale or shortly after is making a ton of money right now. Now, because of this success, it brings us over to Wall Street Pepe. Guys, Wall Street Pepe is duplicating the success of Pepe Unchained, but it's even better. Pepe Unchained's best day during its presale did $2 million. Pepe Unchained's early stage presales only did $200,000 to $250,000. Wall Street Pepe is smashing those records. $5 million raised in the last 24 hours. So if you guys are interested in buying, I do want to show you just how easy it is. And I want to say, full disclaimer, I have bought a lot of Wall Street Pepe so far. I believe that this token is going to do even better than Pepe Unchained. We're talking 10, 20, maybe even 50x gains after this one launches here. Very, very excited. So the first thing you guys are going to do is decide if you want to buy with a card or buy with crypto. Now, when you click buy with crypto, you're going to get this option that pulls up. Now, I'm going to use Wallet Connect. It pulls up this QR code right here, and I have the Trust Wallet open on my phone. You guys could do this with any wallet on your phone. And you know what? I'm going to screen record this so that you guys can see everything that is taking place, both in the app here and on the screen, so it makes it that much easier for you guys to go in, duplicate it, and end up buying. So once you have this QR code pulled up and you've got your wallet open on your phone, you're simply going to click the little QR code scanner and then scan the QR code on the screen. It's going to ask if you would like to connect. You say that yes, you would like to connect. And then from there, you can see on the screen here that the wallet is connected. Now, it's going to ask you, what would you like to purchase with? I would like to purchase with USDT. So I'm going to come in here, type in USDT, and I want to buy 1,000 USDT worth with this wallet. That's going to give me roughly, what is this, 2,741,000 Wall Street Pepe tokens. So then I'm going to click Buy WEPE, or Buy Wall Street Pepe, and it's going to ask me again to approve the transaction. I'm simply going to click Approve. I'm going to type in my password or use my fingerprint there, and it is approved. As it's authorizing, you're going to see it continue to spin. No worries. The transaction is going to go through within a matter of seconds. Now, it's going to ask me to approve this here if I agree to the fees and all of that. Yes, I do. So I'm going to go ahead and click approve. The transaction is in progress right now. And a couple seconds later, you're going to see a beautiful page pop up on the screen here. And when it does, you know that your transaction has gone through. As you can see, the purchase has been successful. You can simply close that. And I want to show you, your balance is viewable right here, 2,741,046 WEPE, or Wall Street Pepe tokens. The purchase was successful, and I've got a decision to make. Do I want to stake my Wall Street Pepe or simply leave it ready to claim? Now, of course, I'm going to let it go. I'm going to let it be claimable, and I'm not going to stake on this one right here, but it is just that easy. Now, you can connect your wallet to this website at any time. Make sure, however, you use that link down in the description below. Do not go out there and Google it. There are a lot of scams. You want to make sure that you get the correct link from the link in the description of this video or any of my other Wall Street Pepe videos. It's going to pull you up to this website. It is that easy to get your hands on Wall Street Pepe.